Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go! Jackhammer. Hammer. Hammer. Power drill. Drill. Saw. Saw. Power drill. Power tool set. Hey guys, let's check out this really cool tool set. We've got some brand new toy tools that we want to show you. What do we have up first? Whoa, it's the adjustable wrench. Check it out, it's the color green and yellow. This top piece right here moves up and down when you adjust it. Let's see how it works. Oh, check out that blue colored screw. So you can use a lug nut and an adjustable wrench, and it fits it together just like this. Pretty awesome. We've got a really cool collection of toy tools today from our kids' tool chest. So let's take a look. We have a screw, and we have a smaller one, and we have an even smaller one. Small, medium, and large. 3 different sizes you can learn. Pretty cool. Did you know they come in 3 sizes? So let's take a look at our next tool. What do we have up next? Oh, it's the Flathead Screwdriver. So you use the red screwdriver. That tip right there goes inside the top of the screw. Let's see how it works. Cool, and we can adjust it and change it. Whoa, that's awesome. See that point right there? That's the part that goes into the screw. And then you turn it around to the right or the left. If you turn it to the right, it tightens. And if you turn it to the left, it loosens up the screw. Pretty cool. So I wonder what our next tool is going to be. Whoa, the lug nut. Cool, so check out how the lug nut goes right onto the screw. And then you tighten it with the screwdriver. Did you know that your house was built with tools like these? Crazy, huh? Pretty cool. Everything that we build, we use tools like these. So that's how a little screw goes onto the lug nut. Very cool. Let's take a look at our next toy tool. Whoa, 3 different sizes in the lug nuts. There's a small, a medium, and a large. Look at the different sizes. Did you know there were 3 different sizes? And they come in different colors too. The ones we have here are blue, of course. So this is the small screw that goes into the small lug nut. You can't put a big one into the small one. It's not the right size. Each one has a different size that fits each screw. It can't be small if it's a big one, or medium if it's small. It has to be a medium size. Cool, what do we have up next? Whoa, the C-clamp. This is one of the neatest things ever made. It's the C-clamp. You know why they call it the C-clamp? It's in the shape of a letter C. And you move this little dial up and down, and you can tighten all kinds of cool things. Let me show you. So here's a C-clamp and some wood. Well, it's toy woods. It's actually not real pieces of wood, but it's a toy. But let's take a look at how the C-clamp works. Alright, so we have to tighten it from the bottom first. And then we'll get those 2 pieces of wood and we'll put them together. Number 1. And number 2. Hey kids, let's check out this brand new toy tool set. If I can get it open, trying to open it, there we go. All right, let's check out these toy tools. Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go. Whoa, look at our collection of power drills. Let's learn colors. Red and black. And now let's see if it works. Cool, Black & Decker toy tool power drill. Whoa, check out that real power drill. What's up next? Wow, check out this one. It's got an extra handle. That's a super strong power drill. Whoa, just pull on that and look at it go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at our next toy tool in our toy chest. Whoa, look at that power drill. That one's had an electric cord. What's up next? Our Stanley power drill for kids. It's the color yellow. Cool. Look at that one. That one's pretty amazing. And it works too. Give it a try. We're checking out all of our collection of power drills today. With our cool tool bench for kids. Wow, look at that one. That one is drilling. Power drills, drill. And that one is drilling. Whoa, check out our cool collection of power drill tool toys. Well, that one is the Black & Decker power tool. Oh, check that out. Working together with Dad. That's a cool saw. What do we have next in our toy tool workbench collection? Taking a really cool look at our Stanley power drill. What else do we have in our collection? Whoa, the drill bit comes off. And let's put a new one on.